Right now, over 700 million people live on less than $2 a day. Not because they lack potential, but because they lack opportunity. I know that world. I grew up in it. Today, I want to share my personal journey out of poverty, and the exact steps that helped me change my life. And if you're ready, I want to help you start rewriting your story too. There was a time when I had to choose between buying food or paying the electricity bill. I'd stand in stores, counting coins, feeling invisible and stuck. That wasn't just a bad day, that was life for me, and millions like me. I wasn't lazy or unmotivated, I was trapped in a cycle that seemed impossible to break. But one night, after being rejected from yet another job, I sat alone in a dark room and asked myself a question I never had before. What if no one is coming to save me, and I have to become my own way out? That question cracked something open. I realized I had been waiting for a miracle, when what I needed was to take control, to take ownership of my life, no matter how unfair it seemed. That mindset shift became the foundation for everything that came next. I started by changing how I thought about myself and my future. I stopped believing poverty was my identity. Then I educated myself, through free books, YouTube videos, podcasts, and online courses. I learned money management, digital skills, and freelancing. I tracked every rupee I had and made it count. I took side gigs, made mistakes, but kept moving forward. Each small step gave me momentum and confidence. And even when the people around me doubted me, I found support in online communities and mentors who believed it was possible. Poverty isn't just about money. It's about feeling stuck, unseen, and powerless. And that's why this matters, because if you're watching this, you're likely hungry for more. More freedom, more control, more life. You don't have to stay where you are. You don't have to accept limits set by your past. Here's what I want you to remember. 1. It starts with your mindset, believe your future can be different. 2. Start with what you have, free resources can move mountains. 3. Learn practical skills that solve problems and bring income. 4. Manage your money, even if it's just a little, with purpose. 5. Surround yourself with people and voices that inspire and support you. If I could do it, so can you. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one challenge you've faced, or one breakthrough you've had on your journey? Share it in the comments below. Your story could be the spark someone else needs. If this video inspired you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We're building a community here, people who refuse to be defined by their circumstances. Remember, your past doesn't define your potential. Keep pushing forward. You've got this.